Nordvpn is a popular VPN service which lets you build secure and anonymous connections. With this program, you don't have to worry about authorities being able to track your IP address or physical location. The company uses VPN servers in more than 90 countries, ensuring your browsing activity can't be tracked. With a skilled development team, the service adds new features, security protocols, and functionalities on a regular basis. Nordvpn comes with varied pricing plans suiting every budget. Within a short period of time, it has become an excellent choice for users around the world. Nordvpn Download offers a range of features, including P2P-optimized servers, malware blocking, Bitcoin support, Netflix unblocking, etc. These features make Nordvpn one of the most powerful VPN services across the globe. With this program, you're able to use secure connections over multiple VPN servers, protecting your identity and privacy. When you're using this software, it's almost impossible to track your Wi-Fi router details, IP address, location, and other information. Though Nordvpn Download focuses on building secure connections over multiple servers, it doesn't take speed and stability casually. The service offers fast internet connectivity, allowing you to browse numerous websites without any issues. The program even has an automatic kill switch, which shuts down the connections if your Windows computer seems compromised. Unlike some other VPN services, Nordvpn doesn't record logs of your browsing activity. Therefore, your surfing history is always hidden, and authorities aren't able to bypass the system to track your internet traffic. In the latest version of the app, the company has addressed several DNS leak issues, ensuring your data doesn't get transmitted over unsecured channels. Nordvpn has a solid user base, which is quite active in discussion forums, online communities, and social media. While the company offers good customer support, you can seek help from other users too. The program comes with a simple interface, allowing you to start using the program from the get-go. All the secure VPN servers are listed in an easy-to-access sidebar. Last but not least, Nordvpn runs smoothly on multiple operating systems, including Microsoft Windows, Android, iOS, and more. The best part about the program is that you can use the same account on up to 6 devices simultaneously. With multiple features, variable pricing plans, reliable connections, and